Good morning, good morning, good morning, YouTubers. How are you guys doing today? Today I am going on a Sunday morning stroll here in Panama City, and I am taking you along with me. One good thing that I like about Sunday mornings is that they cut down the vehicular traffic, so there's no cars on like this main street. So you get to enjoy the area with no traffic. So hold on, let's take a look. So I'm just starting my walk. This is one of the main hotels. Going past the Hilton Hotel on Cinta Costera. This is the rainy season. I just felt a raindrop. Not sure if it's going to rain this morning or not. But as you can see, this is a Sunday morning. There's not too many cars, but the area we're going to be walking in, it's not going to have any cars. This is the Hilton Hotel. We just passed the Hilton Hotel on Balboa Avenue. This is one of the shopping plazas. This is called the Financial District also. I'll take you for a stroll later for the neighborhood. But right now, we're just gonna do a Sunday walk. Okay? So, this is a pedestrian walkway right near the Hilton Hotel. There's several throughout Balboa. What we're going to do here, we're gonna push this sign and we're gonna wait for that traffic. Right now it's red. Oh, it just turned green. Wow. Okay. So we are walking across the street here. We got the green. As you see, the traffic is stopping for me. They're doing some construction on the road here. Okay, so we have made it across. This particular parking lot is really busy on Sunday mornings. These are like already full of cars. There's lots of people that ride bikes. They come here early in the morning. You can check out a bike. There's normally a long line, but I started like around 6:45, and people with that ride the bikes are normally out around 6:30. Now this is a pedestrian walkway that I would normally take during a regular morning walk. Oh, wait a minute, there's something going on. The streets are not blocked off today, so I'm thinking there's something going on. So you know what? Normally, you see those cars right there? Normally on a Sunday, the streets are blocked off. I'm wondering what's going on today. There must be some kind of holiday that I'm not aware of, because normally there's a long line of people, and they're normally renting out bikes. So none of that's here today. Okay, so normally this street right here is no cars on a Sunday morning, but that's not happening today, so I'm not really sure. That's one thing about Panama. You got to be flexible, because sometimes things are not always like they normally are, and you have no particular reason. You don't even know why. So this is my normal route, the pedestrian route, this pedestrian bridge. But normally on Sunday mornings, I can just walk right across the street because there's no traffic. The cars are stopped. So I'm not sure what's going on today. But we'll take a walk across the bridge. And back there is the financial district down there. Yeah, a lot of the banks are down that street, the bank headquarters, but that's what they call the financial district. There are several of these pedestrian bridges along Balboa. So several opportunities for you to safely across the street. This is a nice view. Balboa Avenue runs all the way down there. It's about 6:50. I normally start around 6. Sun's already out. So I'm going to be pulling out my little hat. But as you can see, we are still walking on this pedestrian walkway. It's pretty long. You can see the water view. That area over there is Punta Pacifica. That's another neighborhood. We'll do a neighborhood tour. So stay tuned for my videos on neighborhood tours. I'm going to do a little walk around each neighborhood so you can kind of see what it's like here living in Panama City. A walking tour. Okay, I am still on this pedestrian bridge. I'm nearing the end. And so I normally walk a couple of miles, turn around and come back. But today is probably going to be maybe like a short walk, a mile up, turn around, and a mile back. As you can see, there's several people working out. There's bike riders. I mean, this is like a really popular area on a Sunday morning. I normally run into other black women expats here in Panama. I normally run into them here on this path. I'm starting a little late this morning, so I may have missed some people, but not sure if you can see that out so far. You see those red covered buildings? Let me try to zoom in. Walk over here to the edge. The white covered buildings is Old Town Panama. You see that? And I'm gonna zoom to the left. It's low tide, but if you look all the way, I don't want to lose the I don't want it to get blurry, but if you look past the low tide area, look all the way towards the back, you can see some ships that are in line waiting to transit through the Panama Canal. See those ships all the way in the back? Yeah. All right. So we're going to continue our walk. Oh, it's a beautiful day out here today. Very nice. Okay, so I like to get out here on a Sunday because normally it's my favorite time to walk because there's no traffic. But who knew? We're rolling with it anyway. It's less traffic, but normally there's no cars on the side of the street. There's just biking and people walking. So I'm not really sure why they didn't shut it down today. Whoops, excuse me. When the phone is turned to the side, sometimes it's hard to know where to look at for the camera. So if you see me looking off, it's not intentional. I'm trying to figure out where the camera is. But anyway, so I'm not exactly sure why they changed the rule or whatever. What's going on this Sunday? It might be, like I said, something that I don't know about, a holiday or something. Probably is, because they have a lot. But anyway, so I'm gonna walk down, and if I see something interesting, I'll turn the video back around. Okay, so we're walking on an area, what they call Cinta Costera, which is like a walking, and right there is like a biking path. They also do rollerblading. So we are on the side of Balboa Avenue that is closest to the water. On the other side over there, you see the building side. You have residential buildings. You also have businesses. So it's like two main big sides of Balboa Avenue. And this side that is closer to the water, normally on Sundays, is shut down to traffic. But I'm not sure what's going on today. That is the Intercontinental Hotel. You see that right there? That's the Intercontinental Hotel. I've never been in that hotel. I heard they had a really good Sunday brunch. This is the Intercontinental Hotel. Sits right on Balboa Avenue. So one of the hotels that, if you come to visit, check it out. I've never been there, so I don't know. But so you can walk on the Cinta Costera for several miles. You know, normally the entire area is shaded, but as it gets later in the day, the sun starts coming out. So I have my hat with me to protect me against the sun. Okay, remember I told you there were several pedestrian bridges along Balboa Avenue. This is another one. Connects to like a basketball court over there. So it allows you to walk across the street to get to Cinta Costera in a safe manner without trying to, you know, duck the traffic and stuff like that. So, like I said, there's several of these bridges that are placed alongside Balboa that allows you to cross the street. Okay? So we are still walking on Balboa Avenue. I do this walk minimum 3 times a week. That's the minimum. So sometimes 4 times, but the minimum I get 3 walks in. Okay, so on the right side, you see like this covered area with a red rooftop. That's something that they use for like aerobics. They have like free dance classes there, or for a minimum charge. You can do a workout there. And to the left of me are workout bars where people can do pull-ups. It's kind of like an outdoor workout station, you know, where people can do things. Here is a court for you to either practice soccer with your soccer balls, or you can practice, I guess, basketball. Well, no, there's no basketball hoops, so soccer courts. They turned the basketball courts into soccer courts. See the soccer goal? Yeah. And here's something that's a pretty new addition. Paddle ball is becoming very popular here in Panama. This is a brand new outdoor court that was built. They also give lessons there. I think I might sign up for a lesson because I met the instructors the last time I was walking. But anyway, it's a free court for public use. But you got to get there early if you want to get a spot. But that's a new addition to Cinta Costera. Okay, here is a little park that they've resurfaced. for kiddies. They're probably really busy on Sunday afternoons. Little area is getting a little congested, so I'll pick up the video again later. Okay, so if you are meeting someone here at Cinta Costera, this is actually a pretty good meeting spot. It's kind of like a little over a mile, depending on where you start. But it's where the Panama sign sits. We'll take a look at. And they normally also have like aerobic and dance classes out here. There's none out here right now. They might start a little later. Those are also residential buildings. Not sure which ones those are, but those are residential buildings right there. This is a Panama sign. We're like at the central part of Cinta Costera. You see the red top buildings. That's a whole nother section of Panama, Hotel Panama, Casio Viejo. We'll do another tour, a neighborhood tour of that area over there. So here's another play area for the kiddos. So this is my turnaround point today. It's already hot. I got a late start, so I'm going to be turning around and going back. But these are all residential buildings. I believe one of those is a Rivage, the popular residential building for a lot of expats if you want to live with a bunch of people. But hey, hi, so this concludes my video of my walking tour of Cinta Costera. I gotta turn around and walk back to my apartment. So it's already hot out here, as you can see. I hope you have enjoyed this Sunday morning stroll with me, and it didn't turn out exactly as I wanted it to because the cars were still going and the road was not shut off, but that's normally how it is on a Sunday morning. But anyway, you take good care of yourself. Walking is one of those low impact exercises that you can do for free. It works out your entire body. I got my little pack on, got my sneakers on. But anyway, walking is very good for you. So something you should be doing at least 3 times a week. So anyway, have a great day. If you like this content, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm going to be doing a lot more show and tells of different neighborhoods and different things around Panama City. Have a great day.